about ready. The final passes. You can get me in. I've learned a few things over the years, developed a few different ways to do it. First of all, I've learned the value of using vice grips to hold on to the steel, and good tactile rubber gloves to hang on to it, protect yourself from the heat. I've learned that you should always, on the floor, have one of those exercise mats that absorb impact, because you're going to drop this many times. It protects the blade from getting dinged, because for some reason, anytime a buffer grabs a blade or anytime I drop it, it's always going to land first on the delicate tip of the point and bend. And so it makes sense to have a pad down. Push stick always to hold it with the other hand so you don't have your fingers overheating. The next step now is to harden it, differentially harden it. I will probably do. That's where you heat and harden basically the outside cutting edge. But I've been thinking about, and I'm tempted to do a thorough harden where I just heat the whole blade and quench it all in oil and just harden the whole blade. Because there are some knife makers that swear that's the best way. That 52-100 steel, ball bearing steel, is rendered for knives. And there are other guys that say that no, differentially harden, that's what you want. Soft back, you draw the heat back. Anyway, we'll see. I might do an experiment with a thorough harden. Because, I think it'd be kind of fun. And it'd be a lot less work. You just... So anyway, I'm very happy with the way this blade ended up. It's pretty nice. Nice and straight. I'll have to, after I harden it and then I temper it, then I'll start doing the final grinding on it with the belt grinder here, and I'll go through the grits. I have them up to, I think, 1500. And then I'll use the buffer. And then we'll worry about sharpening it. And the end result will be, hopefully, that you'll be able to shave with it. That's why all knife makers have a bare swatches on their left hand, left arm knife. That's where they always go like that. But we'll have to see. Right now it's completely dull, but we'll have to see how it goes.